Welcome to our channel where we share a 7-day meal plan for weight loss. This meal plan is designed to help you kickstart your weight loss journey. Day 1. Start your day with a nutritious breakfast like Greek yogurt with berries. For lunch, enjoy a grilled chicken salad with a light vinaigrette dressing. Snack on a handful of almonds or a piece of fruit in the afternoon. Dinner could be a delicious stir-fry packed with veggies and lean protein. Day 2. Wake up to a filling breakfast of oats topped with sliced bananas. At lunchtime, try a quinoa and vegetable bowl drizzled with lemon tahini dressing. Satisfy your cravings with a small serving of dark chocolate as a snack. End the day with a comforting bowl of vegetarian chili for dinner. Day 3. Fuel your body with a smoothie made with spinach, banana, and almond milk. For lunch, enjoy a turkey and avocado wrapped with a side of mixed greens. An apple paired with a tablespoon of nut butter makes for a great snack. Indulge in a baked salmon fillet with roasted veggies for dinner. Day 4. Begin your day with scrambled eggs and sautéed veggies. Munch on a light shrimp and quinoa salad for lunch. Snack on veggie sticks with hummus in the afternoon. Dinner could be a hearty lentil soup with a side of whole grain bread. Day 5. Jumpstart your morning with a chia seed pudding topped with fresh fruits. Lunch can be a mason jar salad with layers of veggies, protein, and dressing. A handful of trail mix makes for a convenient and tasty snack. End the day with a flavorful tofu stir-fry over brown rice. Day 6. Enjoy a breakfast smoothie bowl topped with granola and nuts. At lunch, try a grilled vegetable and feta cheese salad. Snack on a small portion of air-popped popcorn in the afternoon. Dinner could be a zucchini noodle pasta with marinara sauce. Day 7. Start your last day of the meal plan with whole grain toast topped with smashed avocado. For lunch, indulge in a Capri salad with fresh mozzarella and balsamic glaze. Satisfy your sweet tooth with a piece of homemade banana bread as a snack. End the week with a fulfilling and veggie-packed tofu stir-fry for dinner. We hope this 7-day meal plan helps you on your weight loss journey.